Do a concentrated shot. So I've already filled this to the top. I'm going to tap it down like this to level it off. As you'll see, it doesn't go up over the threads. And now I'm going to put the top on. Get a little firm, but not too firm. And we're going to put this there. So I'm going to lock this down. You'll feel a little bit of spring action here when you close this down. And what that does is that has a little leeway there, so it locks firmly. And then I'm going to pull this on over to the center, and then the lights will go out firmly. Now, in order to do a concentrated shot, what I'm going to do here is make no selection. And what that means is you've got a 5-ounce cup here, a 12-ounce, and a 60-ounce. And then if you go to the very next one, you'll see no cup. And what that does is that allows you to do a concentrated shot. And I can choose whether I want it to concentrate, which means there'll be a holding pattern, for 60 seconds, 20 seconds, 40 seconds, or 60 seconds. So I want a really strong shot here, so I'm going to do it for 60 seconds. And we'll put our cup here and start. What you're going to see is now the pump kicks in. You can hear the pump pushing. This is going to fill up with water. You can see it coming in there. Now it's filling up, and now it's going to stop. Okay, so the timer starts to count down, and what the timer is going to do is the timer is going to run for 60 seconds. Now this is under pressure steeping effect, which is the ball valve at the top of the brewing chamber. When the water has filled to the top, it's pushed that ball valve up and sealed the chamber. So you've got steeping, almost like a French press, and you've got pressurization in there. So it's both of those things are helping to get the most out of the coffee, most flavor out of the coffee. What's going to happen, we've got 18, 17 seconds left to go there, 15, 14, and then the pump is going to kick back on. So for a concentrated shot, I just want the amount of fluid that's in the brewing chamber to push out, and that'll give me a very concentrated shot. So as soon as this turns back on, there's the pump. Now as soon as I see that starts to come out in a fairly, I'm going to push this, and that's going to push all the remaining fluid out into the brewing chamber, or into the cup, and it's going to give us a concentrated shot of liquid. So that's it. So you can see it's a very small amount there. Now we can add milk to that, and what that'll do is give us a latte or a foam. You can add foam to it and you'll get a cappuccino out of that, or add it to a mocha, and that will give you an espresso drink. All right, thank you.